If you ever need to find out important information about your Apple Macintosh computer, for example the processor speed, how much memory it has, the hard drive size, or perhaps the serial number, you need to go to the Apple logo in the top left hand corner of your screen and then click on About This Mac. When the About This Mac panel opens, you'll be presented with some additional information about your computer, for example the processor speed, how much memory it has, and the name of the startup disk that is used to load the operating system for your computer. At the bottom of this panel is a More Information button. When you click on this, it will give you further information about your Apple Macintosh computer. If you ever contact Apple support, they will ask you about this information when they try and diagnose the issue that you're experiencing. So you'll have the name of the computer, the size of the screen, when the computer model was created, the processor type, the memory, the graphics processor, the serial number, which is very important, and the version of the operating system that you're using. Next, if you click on Displays, you'll be shown information about your Apple Macintosh computer screen. So it will tell you about the graphics card, what size screen you're connected to, and the resolution that it's running at. Also, if you've connected your computer to a second screen, information about that second screen will be displayed here. Now if we click on the Storage tab, we are presented with information about the different drives that are connected to our computer. You'll be able to see how much free space you have, and you get given a breakdown of the types of files that are stored on your computer's hard drive, along with how much space they're using. You'll also get given information about the super drive and what formats it can write to. The final tab is Memory. When we click on this option, we're presented with a summary of the memory that has been installed on the computer. This includes how many memory slots we have and also the type of memory that has been installed. If you are thinking of upgrading the memory on your computer, you can check easily how many slots you've got available, and if you need to, you can go and click on this link to see how to upgrade the memory on your particular model of computer. Now let's return to the Overview panel and have a look at System Report. System Report gives you a more in-depth look at the internal parts that make up your computer. For example, if I click on Bluetooth, I can see a full breakdown of the Bluetooth hardware in my computer. If we scroll through the listings, there is also an option called Logs. Within Logs is information about the status of your computer, so if you ever experience a problem, you can always check the logs to try and work out what the issue is.